Hello everyone and welcome to class of Cloud Dataproc. It is a Google managed Apache Spark and Hadoop service. Both Spark and Hadoop are designed for big data applications. Spark supports analysis and machine learning, while Hadoop is well suited to batch big data applications. As a cloud engineer, you should be familiar with creating a Dataproc cluster and submitting jobs to run in that cluster. To create a cluster, we require to navigate to Dataproc, which is in Dataproc is there in Big Data. So you have to open a Dataproc and then you have to enable the Dataproc API. After enabling the API, you can create a cluster. So let's create a cluster. So when creating a Dataproc cluster, we need to specify name of the cluster and a region and zone. So this is a cluster name, region you want to select, and zone. Then what is the cluster mode? See, we have three cluster modes: single node, standard, and high availability. Single node has one master and 0 workers. This is useful for development. Single node. Standard has one master node and n workers. So if it fails, master fails, the cluster becomes inaccessible. The high availability mode uses 3 masters. You also need to specify the machine configuration, like master node, what is the machine type, and memory. Disk size, worker nodes also machine type, and the memory you need to select. And if you move to the advanced options, you can list, like if you want to use the preemptible virtual machines, and you can select how many virtual machine you want to run. And you can check the advanced security options, metadata options, etc. and keys. And after that, you just create this cluster and the Dataproc cluster will be created for you. After this, we have a listing of all the clusters, and here comes jobs. After the cluster is created, you can submit a job to the cluster details page. This is your job ID, region, cluster, you have created that, job type. You can have different job types: Hadoop, Spark, R, PySpark, Hive, SQL, Pig, Presto. So if you choose PSpark, you will submit a Python program. Thus, it will submit a R program. So when running Hive or Spark SQL, you can submit the query files. You can also pass in the optional arguments also. Once the job is running, you will see it in the job listing page. And these jar files, you can specify properties, labels, etc. and you can submit your jobs. This is a job listing page. In this job listing page, you can see the number of jobs running. You can search your jobs if you have multiple jobs with these parameters. Thank you.